Well, welcome to General Chemistry Lab. It's going to look a little bit different than you maybe would have expected if we were able to be in the lab rooms and be able to talk about these things and interact with these concepts in labs during the lab period. But what we will get to do is some really cool stuff in our homes or in our apartments or in our backyards, however you want to do it. But each and every one of you is going to be shipped an equipment kit that's going to give us beakers and graduated cylinders, a balance, these different things that we're going to be able to utilize as part of some experimentation in our homes. Now you should get those sometime before the end of week 3. So if you don't have it yet, don't be worried, it's coming. And what we're going to do is we're going to use those in addition to some simulations, because we can't do all of these experiments in our homes, not necessarily safe, where we're going to be able to do some kind of real life experiments, but also some simulations that would connect to kind of deeper ideas in a lab setting that maybe we would have been able to do. Now the reason why we have both of those is that helps us get a little bit more depth, but also get the experience of in a lab setting with that equipment that's going to be sent to you. You will be given the procedure that you're going to be completing at home. You will be given kind of the information that you would need to be able to do that safely and effectively in your homes. You're also going to get opportunity to get put into a group of 2 to 4 students that you will get to kind of work through those labs together. So you're not going to be on your own. You're going to be able to ask questions of each other, talk through the different ideas that you would be working through during those labs in your lab time. But at the end of the day, you're going to be doing some cool chemistry at home, but you're also going to be doing some cool chemistry on your computers. And how we're going to facilitate that, we're going to facilitate that through Zoom. And you're going to be able to kind of get put in smaller rooms or breakout rooms as you work through those labs together. Now the reason why I wanted to send this video is because I wanted us to feel a little bit more comfortable about what we're going to be doing this semester, get a better idea of what that's going to look like, how we're going to work through that. But I'm really excited for the opportunity that we have to be able to do something at home and be able to also go a little bit deeper in our simulations, and also look forward to getting to know each and every one of you in Zoom. Our class is a little bit smaller than maybe our lecture class, and this gives us the opportunity to get to know each other as we kind of work through these labs that we're going to be doing. I hope that your first semester here at Chapman, if you're new to Chapman, is one that you remember. You build friendships with your fellow biochem or chem majors that are in this lab, and then that helps kind of builds through these study groups or problem sets that you work through in groups throughout your career here at Chapman. So I look forward to seeing you in class on Monday, and I hope you have a great rest of your time as you prepare for classes.